Hi guys, I'm back with a video, and this time I decided on my viewers' request, as some of them wanted to see live trading demo. So right now I am trading live and I want to show you how I'm making money right now. So since it is 9:30 in the evening, I am doing a live trade right now in commodity, as I am quite well versed with commodity. So right now I am doing a trade in crude oil. Just to show you for demo purpose on demand, I have done a very recent trade today only. So I'll show you this one. You can see one lot of crude oil, 17th August, this one future. I have sold one lot at 8 o'clock 45, that is 8:45 today itself, and another lot 1 hour after that at 9:45, which is just, can you see the time over here in the bottom, around 8 or 10 minutes back. And now you can see the position. I am making 430 rupees live, that is within like 1.5 hours time. And so this was the first level at which I had sold. Let me just show you that one quickly. I was using the 1 hour chart, and the green candle, the top of the green candle, 2990.3, this was where I sold first of all one lot in crude oil, and the second one I sold once I was little in profit. I put the initial first order of 2982 but did not get executed, so I pushed another order just 10 minutes 5 minutes back at the current levels using a 15 minutes chart, and that was on this particular candle, this one, 2973, which you can confirm here also, 2973. So right now I am doing two lots short in crude oil, and you can see the time is 9:55 p.m. The crude oil prices are live. They are still intact because crude oil is working. The commodity is open till 11:30 in the evening. So you can see the prices are fluctuating. The market is live, and I'm live in the trade right now. So here it is showing the volume. It is continuously changing. The markets are still live. The low it has made is 2957. Since I am already in 400 rupees of profit, because I am trading in a small quantity, that is why the profits are quite small, but it's okay. In 1.5 hours I am able to make 400 plus rupees, reducing the brokerage. That's good enough, because after my dinner I had some time and thought of making a live video today itself, because since after this there will be 2 days of gap, and right now that training and paid call subscription discount offer is running, so I thought of making the video to show you how the performances can be. Certainly I'm expecting some more profits to accumulate in this particular trade, so I'll continue to hold this one, but as of now I think at least for next 1 hour the prices are going to be in a very similar range. I can see huge selling pressure in crude oil today. Let me show you. This was because I observed a trend that after rising for almost 1 week, the crude oil prices come for a gap down, and the 1 week was over when this red candle was formed, and today I was observing it since the afternoon time, but just waiting for the right level. And by the time I started to put the first order, the market had already fallen 20 points within 15 minutes, which was here in this candle. I was quite sure that from here, using my strategy, which I only teach to my training members who are taking separately the training in this particular strategy, because this one is specially for intraday and for short-term trades, and for people who can do in small quantities in crude, because crude is very safe. It's not the normal futures of stocks where the lot sizes are 1000, 2000, 5000. The lot sizes in crude are 10, only 10. So if you are observing this price of 2961, then every lot here is only 10. So you only have to invest very small amount of money. Okay, I'll even show you that even for 2 lots I have only invested 8286, which is like 4100 rupees for one lot. Approximately, I'm just saying that approximately. So very less amount of money is required to trade in crude oil. And the strategy which I use for crude oil is very safe because the crude oil does not fall or rise uh, in a huge quantity, in a huge number. You cannot expect 10% short-down in crude oil in one day, like it can happen in stocks. And because we are trading in future and the lot size is only 10, even for a Nifty future the lot size is 75, even for a lot size in Bank Nifty is 40, but crude oil it is only 10, so it becomes very risk free. Only small amount of money required, 4,100 to trade approximately one lot, and good profits. So as you can see, right now I am sitting at 390 rupees of profits in this particular trade. So you divide it into two lots, so that is approximately 100 uh, 190 rupees approximately. So that is percentage wise, if I say uh, 190 divided by 4100, that is 4.6%, 4.6% in just 1.5 hours of trade. I think that's really good because the bank would have paid me 4% in 1 year. So a very safe strategy to work in crude oil in small quantities, just putting in small money. And as you can see, in intraday only I have got this much profit. But I personally believe that if I hold this position for approx like maybe 2-3 days, or Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday, I can probably I think I can achieve targets of 2900. Yeah, definitely. So 60 more points from here would mean a considerable 600 rupees profit more on individual one lot, so 1200 rupees more. But I'm making this video and I would rather suggest I end it right now because it's up till 11:30, and I would rather work on stocks to find some good stocks for Monday, because I was working to create one long-term package of another 10 stocks uh, to the previous one. I was trying to add 10 more long-term stocks because I get so much of time only on weekend. And yes, I do believe crude oil should fall because can you see this volume yesterday? Here it is showing, just notice in this region, yesterday's volume is 214, that is 2,14,000 in full day, and today 1.5 hour is left and already 2,10,000, so only 4,000 difference remaining in the quantity, and that is why the volumes are quite huge. Also, since it's Friday, the people are going to like square off their positions or build new positions, whatever. Being a Friday, they are either going to create new positions or they are going to like end up their previous positions. So because 2 days coming Saturday Sunday would be a holiday, so I'm expecting further better volume in this one. I believe it may come up little bit right now, but on the coming days, 2-3 days, I'm expecting a target of 2900, and that is as per my strategy. Cannot reveal it right now, but if you are interested to learn this small trade safe profit strategy, do get in touch with me. The charges are very nominal for this one, and it's like a small education which is going to take only probably half an hour or 45 minutes to teach you, because it's really one simple thing that I have to tell you, and using that for your lifetime you can trade in small numbers and just trade it and make considerable small amount of profit, 1000 rupees, 2000 rupees every week, or say every 15 days. A small amount of money on a very small investment of 8-10,000 rupees, it's definitely considerable. I really like because it's very small, it's very safe, the fluctuations are not huge, and slowly it is giving you just like a FT side by side along with your normal stock market trades. It is going to give you money because it opens 10 o'clock in the morning, it closes 11:30 in the evening. So a lot of time you have even after your office hours to watch this, to fill the trade, to learn, to find a entry level, exit level, and just put your trade by 11:30 in the night and just observe it in the coming days. Very simple. So get in touch with me if you do want to make it. I hope that you appreciate that. As soon as I received a comment to make a live video, I am uploading the video same day, a live trading video. And just before I do it, let me show you. Right now it is 370 rupees, so little bit it has come up, but of course it's going to fluctuate, and the very simple reason being that in one single minute, if you see in this candle, it has fallen from 2976 to 2957, which is good 20 points. 200 rupees I've made in just 15 minutes of approximately this. Out of 390, in 15 minutes I've got 200 rupees on this one in one single lot. So definitely considerable, yeah. All the best, guys. Keep in touch with me. If you subscribe by this Sunday for this particular strategy, as I've promised, I'm going to give you a discounted price for this one. And it's really simple. It's only going to take me 45 minutes approx to teach you this, because it's just one simple thing you need to see. If it all fits in, buy it or sell it and keep it in your portfolio and let it give you profits. That's it from me, guys, signing off for this particular video, live video. All the best, take care, good night.